Hello everyone, my name is Ruchita. Today I will going to explain you about English grammar. One most important topic is alphabetical order. So let's start. See, this is our chapter alphabetical order. Now very first about the definition of this, because each and every whatever the terms we are going to learn, the definition must be there. Very first is there. When we arrange things in order, it becomes easy to locate the items. Similarly, if we have to list names, titles of books or words, if we follow one standard order, it will become easy for anyone to locate them. This order that we follow is known as the alphabetical order. Okay? See, here the main thing is given is about the arrange things in order. Okay? See, very first example I am just only going to give you is about our math subject. In our math subject, what we are just only going to do, we have numbers, we have shape. Okay, so whenever we are just only going to arrange the things, we are just only ordering that with the numbers also and with the shape also. So what about the languages? So in languages we have alphabet. In all the languages we have the alphabet. Either you are just only talking about Gujarati, Hindi or English or any other languages. Okay, alphabetical order must be there, and that is the most important thing. So let's restart. See, very first we are just only going to learn and remind about alphabet. This our whole the alphabet of our English. We all know very well about that. That's 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this the particular arrangement is given. Okay, so with this arrangement we are just only going to arrange the any word, any sentences, any titles. Let's see. Now most important thing when we are just only going to arrange the words, the main thing is that we have to remember is alphabetical order. For that, arranging items such as first letter of each item follows the order of the alphabet. Okay, how can we do this? Let's see the examples. Okay, suppose we have a basket of fruits. So many different fruits are there. The shape is also different. The name is also different. The color is also different. But then and then we can arrange them into alphabetically. Suppose the names are of the fruit: orange, watermelon, apple, mango and banana. So now, if we want to arrange this whole the fruit names into alphabetical order, how can we just only going to arrange? Let's see. So very first, we just only going to follow the very first letter of that. Okay, like in orange, O is the first letter. In watermelon, W is the first letter. In apple, A is the first letter. In mango, M is the first letter. And in banana, B is the first letter. So now we have to just only put our focus on this whole letters. Okay. So now in our alphabet, there we have 26 letters. So we have to just only recall that all the letters and just only going to put this whole the name of the fruits in particular way of the alphabet order. So very first, in our alphabet, the very first letter is A. So obviously, apple will become first. Then, after the A, B is there. So banana. Then, in our words, we don't have the any name that start with C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So obviously we have to just only going to skip these letters and the next is the M. So that's a mango. So like this, after M, N is there, but N words that is not here. So we are just only going to take O, orange. And lastly we have watermelon. So these all the whole the arrangement is given of our fruit basket. There in that very first is given apple, banana, mango, orange, and last is watermelon. Now when we have words that begin with the same letter, then we look at the second letter in the word to arrange them alphabetically. Now suppose if you just only find out any word that begin with the same letter only, so what we have to do? That is also why have the solution. So the solution is we have to just only going to put our attention on our second letter. Whatever the word is that written, if the first letter is same only, so we have to just only focus on second letter. If the second letter is the same only, we have to go for the third letter. If the third is also same, we have to move on fourth. Okay, like the example, bag, built, biscuit, brick, building. Here in these all the words we have the letter B, that is the first letter of the word. So now we are just only moving on second letter. Okay, so that in bag, B-A-G, bag, A will become first in alphabet, then built because the E is there second letter, then biscuit because the I is there is the second letter, R, brick, building, U. Okay, so this is the arrangement when we have the first letter same, so we have to move on the second. If the second is same, we move to another. Now here we have one exercise to just only going to recall our whole the alphabetical order. So here we are just only moving in the library, and here the so many titles of the book. So these all the books are the mix up. Now we have to just only given the task to arrange this whole the book into alphabetical. So how can we do that? So we have the number of the list of the books. So now we have to just only arrange that. So we have to just only recall the alphabet, then we have to start our work. So very first we have to find out if the A letter is there in the title. Yes, we have A letter in the title. In this very first letter is A. Our book title is very first is Alice's Adventure. Second, B is not there in the list. C is there, but we have the two times. C is the first letter of the two different titles. So we have to focus on second letter. Oh, here the second letter is also the same. Moving on third. Third is also the same. Moving on fourth. Fourth is also the same. Then moving on fifth. That is also same. So the next is, here the I is given and O is given. So in alphabet, I will become first, then O is there. Okay. So now the second is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Then third, obviously, we already arranged, that is Charlotte's Web. Then we don't have D, we don't have E, so we skip on F. So Frog and Toad. A, B, C, D, E, F. Till F we had completed. Okay. Then we have G. Good night, moon. H is not there. I is not there. J is not there. K is not there. L is not there. M is there. Yes. So we have to skip this whole the letters and we have to focus on M. So next our title is Make Way for Ducklings. N is not there. Yes, O is there. So now our title is Owl Moon. Okay. So like this way, Our next title of the book is, we have actually two letters that start with T. So here very first we have to choose which one comes the first, because the very first letter is T is there in both the titles. Now in second H is there and U is there. So obviously H will become first. So the next title is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Then come Tuesday. And last W. So that is Where the Wild Things Are.